Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to present budget on Monday faces challenge of presenting populistic budget with drop in economic growth. Anand Sheth, Deputy Speaker likely. Anna on day-long hunger strike at Jantar Mantar demands justice for whistleblowers killed while fighting corruption. Kejriwal names 14 tainted ministers in Congress-led government. Six more persons arrested in Maulay Satari illegal mining case. Police arrest 5 truck owners and a government servant. Seized 24 truck load of dumped ore from Bicholi. Animal rescue squad and forest officials in joint raid rescued 21 turtles at Akai Mapsa. Police detained 4 persons from Ajodha. And Cesar Football Academy wants to develop sound footballers, says Chief Mentor Terry Phelan. Terry is puzzled as to why I-League clubs continue to bank on foreign strikers. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will present the budget in State Assembly on Monday. Goans are eager to know the document as BJP had lots of assurances in the election manifesto. With the economic growth dropping to 8.3% from a double digit, Parrikar faces the challenge of presenting a populistic budget. Meanwhile, BJP's Anand Sheth is sure to take over as Deputy Speaker as Assembly Secretariat has received a single nomination.
Due to sudden demise of former Tourism Minister late Mathani Saldana, budget session was adjourned till Monday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar would present the budget in Goa Assembly at 2:30 p.m. on Monday. This is how the Assembly proceedings are scheduled. Proceedings would begin with the obituary motion for paying tribute to former Tourism Minister Mathani Saldana. Election of Deputy Speaker would follow this motion, which would be followed by a brief cabinet meeting. Manohar Parrikar is likely to present the budget in the post-lunch session beginning at 2:30 p.m. Economic growth rate seen a drop to 8.3%, almost 2% drop from a double digit of 10.2% in past 5 years. Economic survey report states a corresponding fall in growth of all the three sectors, with primary sector recording a negative growth of minus 1.46%. While the state economy is showing clear signs of downfall in growth, Finance Minister Manohar Parrikar is all set to present his populistic budget. BJP had assured many things to the people in the election manifesto. Decrease of reduction in petrol price, double the pension under the Dayanand Social Security Scheme, allowance of 1000 rupees per month for housewives, etc. Let's watch how the Finance Minister Parrikar manages the budget. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
Anna Hazare banged the Jantar Mantar yet again, this time demanding justice for whistleblowers killed while fighting corruption. Anna held a day-long fast with thousands of his supporters gathered at Jantar Mantar. RTI activist and co-member of Team Anna Arvind Kejriwal named 14 tainted ministers in the Manmohan Singh-led government and heavily criticized government for inaction. The Dharna hotspot was almost full as the 74-year-old Hazare emerged on the stage on Sunday morning. Anna visited the Rajghat before starting his fast. Hazare was joined by Justice Santosh Hegde, Shanti Bhushan, Arvind Kejriwal, Kiran Bedi and Manish Sisodia.
सरकार कुछ नहीं कर रही, इसलिए निषेध करने के लिए आज एक दिन के लिए हम जंतर मंतर पर अनशन पर बैठेंगे। आज 25 लोगों की हत्या हो गई और वो गूंगी बनकर बैठी है, बहरी बनकर बैठी है। अभी इसके लिए एक बड़ा आंदोलन होगा देश में।
Meanwhile, co-member of Team Anna and RTI activist Arvind Kejriwal listed out 14 tainted ministers. P.P. Chidambaram is at the top of the list.
चिदम्बरम साहब के खिलाफ आरोप लगे तो उसकी तहकीकात इस देश के अंदर कौन करेगा? कोई तहकीकात नहीं कर सकता। अजीत सिंह जी आज हमारे सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्टर हैं, उड्डयन मंत्री हैं, विकीलीक्स की एक रिपोर्ट के आधार पर उनके ऊपर आरोप है कि जब 2008 में न्यूक्लियर डील के ऊपर मनमोहन सिंह सरकार को खतरा पैदा हुआ संसद के अंदर, तो इन्होंने 10-10 करोड़ रुपए लेकर अपने सांसदों को मनमोहन सिंह सरकार के फेवर में वोट डालने को कहा था। कमलनाथ, मिनिस्टर ऑफ अर्बन डेवलपमेंट, इनके ऊपर चावल को निर्यात करने के घोटाले का आरोप है। कपिल सिब्बल साहब के ऊपर आरोप है। एक ही आरोप मिला मुझे अखबारों के अंदर, उनके ऊपर आरोप है कि रिलायंस के ऊपर 950 करोड़ रुपए की पेनल्टी लगनी थी। रिलायंस ने गड़बड़ की थी, उनके ऊपर 650 करोड़ की पेनल्टी लगनी थी, उन्होंने केवल 5 करोड़ की उनसे पेनल्टी लेके उनको छोड़ दिया। शरद पवार, उनके खिलाफ आरोप है, जब अब्दुल करीम तेलगी मामले में जब तेलगी का नार्को एनालिसिस किया गया तो उसने पवार साहब का नाम लिया था कि पवार साहब भी तेलगी घोटाले के अंदर शामिल हैं, लेकिन इसकी कोई जांच नहीं हुई।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट मीडिया। 6 more persons have been arrested in Maulay Satari illegal mining case on Sunday. Walpoi police arrested 5 truck owners and a government servant under IPC and Mines Act. Police have also seized 24 truckload of dumped ore from a plot in Bicholi. The mining ore was transported from Maulay to Divtsale. Police are in search of plot owner on whose plot the illegal mining ore has been unloaded. Police had earlier on Saturday arrested 11 persons in this case.
Police have arrested 6 persons in connection with the illegal mining in Morley on Sunday. Out of these 6 persons, 5 are truck owners and a government servant. The names of the arrested persons are Devu Narayan Raut, Shiva Chauhan, Siddesh Parab, Ramesh Bikne, Anil Desai and Bijo Joy. Locals had stopped illegal mining in Morley Satari on Saturday. Locals say that illegal mining was carried out in Morley under the garb of land levelling. 5 locals and Directorate of Mines and Geology had complained to police against the illegal mining. Walpoi police later arrested 11 persons in this connection on late Saturday evening. Police during the investigation found out a plot in Divtsale where the mining ore transported from Morley was found dumped. They are now in search of the owner of this plot and have issued him summons. Our reporters Lokik Shilkar and Uday Parab.
Animal rescue members and forest officials in a joint raid rescued 21 turtles at Akai in Mapsa on Sunday. 4 people from Ajodha were detained in this connection. Animal lover Amrut Singh informed that these turtles are in demand in the state as well as in neighbouring areas. Total 21 turtles were rescued on Sunday at Akai in Mapsa. Animal rescue members and forest officials conducted a joint raid. 4 people were detained and their car was attached. Accused claimed that they were carrying turtles to breed them in a well. However, animal rescue members smell foul play. Amrut Singh says there is an increasing demand for the turtles in the state and in neighbouring areas.
हालींच्या दिसांनी खूब कडेन ह्या कासवाक लागून खुबशे जे आहा पोचिंग चलता आनी आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आहा की हेका एक नांव दिलेलें 4 व्हिलर म्हणटा तेका तेजे कोड वर्ड तो आनी चड करून हे जे भायले लोक जे म्हणजे आउट ऑफ गोवाचे लोक थोडे तेजे खूब मागणी आहा आनी तेजे किलो प्रमाणे वा तेजे वेटा प्रमाणे तेका पयशे मेळटा. दुसरें म्हणजे सांगपाक गेल्यार तो एक्चुली ब्लॅक मॅजिकाक लागून यूज करता जादूक लागून आनी तेका लागून हे जे निश्पाप अशे जे कासव बी आसा इवन थोडे रेप्टायल्स इवन जे माळूण जे आसा हे सुद्दां खुबशे स्मगल जावपाक लागले.
तुपाय म्हणटा ते सुमार 7 कासव आहात आनी आगरे म्हणटा तर 14 कासव आहात. सो 20-21 कासव आहा सगळे मेळून.
खंय व्हरताले?
सो ते आतां ते म्हणटात की मडगांवच्यान येयले म्हणटात.
Turtles were handed over to the forest department. Our reporter from Akai, Shyam Sundar Fatte. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.